There are a couple of reasons why visiting Angkor Wat during the rainy season, May to October, can be a good idea, even though it's not the most popular time. Fewer crowds. This is a big perk. The temples are much less crowded during the rainy season, so you'll have more space to explore and take photos without feeling rushed. Pleasant weather. While it will rain, it's often in the form of afternoon showers. The rain can bring a welcome break from the scorching heat that Angkor Wat is known for during the dry season. Temperatures are generally milder during the rainy season. Lush landscape. The rain makes everything greener and more vibrant. The temples look particularly stunning surrounded by lush foliage. Unique experience. You might even see some of the partially flooded temples, which can be a unique sight. Potentially cheaper prices. With fewer tourists, you might find better deals on hotels and tours during the rainy season. So if you don't mind the rain and are okay with being flexible with your plans, visiting Angkor Wat during the rainy season can be a great way to experience this world's wonder in a new light.